Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some summer rolls with some shrimp and some other fixings to go along in it. So I want you to stay tuned to my video and watch me as I make the summer rolls. Thank you. Okay, you guys. First, I want to show you what I'm going to be using. So I have my rice paper. I have the square sheets that I'm going to be using. I have my warm water. I'm going to be using some Wonder noodles, shiitake noodles, angel hair. So I'm going to be filling it with that. I have some large cooked shrimp, peeled and deveined. These are the noodles. You have the shrimp. I have some sliced cucumbers. I have some spinach. I have some shredded carrots. I have mushrooms. I have avocado. And I have some lettuce. So here we go. You want to take rice paper. And you want to dip it in the water. You're going to dip your rice paper. Get a nice coating of water on it so it can be pliable once you start rolling. Okay. Hope you can see me. Let's switch up some stuff. So I have my rice paper right here. I'm going to take my lettuce. I'm going to take some carrots. Just a thin layer. Gonna take mushrooms, and you can put whatever you like to eat in there. I'm gonna do my cucumbers, spinach. I'm gonna do my noodles. Then I'm going to take about 3 shrimp. And I'm going to put the shrimp at the edge. So when I roll it, you can be able to see the shrimp on the outside. It's going to look something like that. And hopefully when I wrap it, it'll be like that. So I'm going to wrap. You want to tuck and roll. I'm going to use another rice paper. It's gonna take me some time to make it look pretty, but I'm gonna get it. This is my first one. You can't really see the shrimp, but I'm gonna try it again. And I'll take another one, dip it in the water. Okay, take a piece of lettuce and just start laying. I think I missed the avocado. That's next time. And you can fill your rolls up with anything that you like to fill it up. You know, eat any vegetable or whatever. You gotta excuse my voice. I got a little cough going on. So hopefully I can get through this video. So we're gonna take our shrimp again. I'm gonna use 4 this time. I'm going to do it this way. And it's going to take some time. Excuse me. It's going to take some practice trying to get your rolls right. But if you keep doing it, that'll happen. That's what I have to do. Keep practicing how to do it. Okay, this should look something like this. With some practice, you can get better. And I'll get better too. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick dipping sauce for my summer rolls. So I'm gonna be using chili paste and some lime juice, garlic powder, some apple cider vinegar, some soy sauce, some black pepper, and some sesame seeds. So you can do your own measurements yourself, and what you like. I'm going to take a tablespoon. I'm going to take a sprinkle of garlic. Some apple cider vinegar. Just a little bit. Some lemon juice. Some soy sauce. Black pepper. And the sesame seeds. Just a sprinkle. And you're going to stir it. I'm going to give it a little taste. That's good and spicy. I'm going to add a little bit more soy sauce. And I'm going to put it in my bowl. And there's your dipping sauce. If you don't like spice, you can leave the chili paste out because it is spicy. Okay, you guys, this is how my summer rolls came out and my dipping sauce. So they're not perfect, but it's well enough for me to gulp down and eat. It's edible for me. But I'm going to continue practicing and I'm going to get it right. And I hope you do the same. I hope you follow my steps, or if you can find someone that can teach you a little better, please do so. But you let me know what I'm doing wrong in the comments. Give me some pointers or what I can do, how I can roll, and to get better. I'm going to try again. This is not my last time. I'm going to try again. So, again, I thank you for watching my video today. Please stop by again and watch another video. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I appreciate it. I'll see you until the next time. Peace out. Love you.